Yeah.
The ball is his. That his is possessive pronoun.
Yeah.
It means that ball belongs to a person, a boy, and we called it his. The ball is his. The dress is hers. That hers is possessive pronoun. There is a dress which belongs to a girl. I don't know the name of girl. So we write hers.
Yes.
If we know the name, for example, Ria, so we can say Ria's dress. But in case we don't know the name, so we say the dress is hers. Yes, Krishna?
Ma'am, that dress is why we don't use that dress is her? We use hers. Why is it added?
See, her is, you know, her is pronoun. That is, we done two pronoun, subject and object. So this is object pronoun. Okay, but we are doing here possessive pronoun. So we cannot write her. The dress is her. It doesn't make any sense. Hers means that belongs to a girl. The dress is hers. Clear?
So, ma'am, what does her mean and object pronoun?
Her is object, but when we say hers, hers is possessive pronoun.
Her pronoun.
Yeah, belongs to a person. Okay, next. The car is ours. Okay, the car is ours. O-U-R-S. It means that car is belong to many people. We don't know the name of people, so we just say ours. Or if I have a car, okay, and in my family, everyone shared that car. So I can say the car is ours. So his, hers, ours, its, any other possessive pronoun you know, yours, yours book. This book is yours. This book belongs to you. Are you getting me what I am saying? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting it.
Okay, good. Now let's read. Vivek, kindly read what is possessive pronoun.
Possessive pronoun. Pronouns that show who or what owns something. Example, is that bicycle yours? This ball is his. That dress is hers. That car is ours.
Yeah, so these are called possessive pronouns. It means who or what owns something. Next, Mihir, read.
Yeah. They can be used in place of possessive nouns and do not come before a noun but stand alone. Example, this is Winnie's house. This house is hers.
Yeah, so it comes in the place of possessive noun. Winnie's house. Rather saying Winnie's house, this house is hers.
Yes.
Yeah. And in possessive noun,
Yeah.
that S comes with noun, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But in this, it never comes with noun. The house is hers. We will write like this. Yes, now you may ask.
Yeah.
Who is asking
I
something?
didn't understand what that. B.
Who is that? First, tell me your name.
Mihiramsh.
Yes, Mihir. What you did not understand?
Actually, I saw Krishna kept a message.
Krishna.
Hi. It looks very funny. It's 5.
Mihir, you are not clear. Do you have any confusion?
Ma'am, what were you saying?
I don't know. Mihir, do you have any confusion?
No, actually, I saw that Krishna kept a message in the chat as 5.
Okay, he has written 5.
I don't know. This is not math.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't discuss these things. We are, learning something. So choose the correct possessive pronoun. I'll call out your names one by one and you have to tell me the correct possessive noun. You have options: mine, yours, his, hers, it's, ours, theirs. My possessive pronoun is mine. Your is yours. He, his. Her, hers. Or his is also his. Sorry, him. Him is his. It, its. Our, ours. Their, theirs. Now let's start. First one is for Nisha. I have a book. It is.
I have a new book. It is mine.
Very good. It's mine. Next question is for Vian.
She has a new cat. It is hers.
It is hers. Good. Next question is for Vivek.
They have new pillows. It is theirs.
It is theirs. Good. Next question is for Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. They have new pillows. It is.
Okay, it's repeating. Read the next one.
Okay, ma'am. We have new shoes. They are ours.
Ours. Good. So, is it clear? Yeah, it is understood how to put the possessive pronoun. Now, let's do reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun?
Oh, I was asking about that only.
Yeah. Okay, Nisha, kindly read the definition.
They are essential to the meaning of a sentence. They act as the object of the sentence. Show the
Receiver.
receiver of an action, follow a verb or a preposition. Example: I completed the project myself. She has washed her clothes by herself.
Yeah. So reflexive pronoun basically that reflect what the action by done the person itself. For example, I completed the project myself. I took the online class by myself. She has washed her clothes by herself without taking any help. Okay, he has done his homework by himself. So that self is called reflexive pronoun. Example, choose the correct reflexive noun. I have given you options like themselves, itself, yourself, myself, himself, yourselves, ourselves, herself. Can you tell me the difference between yourselves and yourself? The difference between yourselves and yourself. Yes, Vian.
Yeah, your means yourself mean it's a singular and yourselves is plural.
Yeah, yourself we use for a one person. For example, if I'm talking to Vyan, so I can say that please do your work by yourself. But if I'm talking to the whole class, all of you, so I'll tell you, do yourself by yourselves. Okay? Because I am telling to many people. So here I use yourselves. Selves. Okay. Yes, Krishna?
I'm actually wanted to answer that question. Yourself or yourself.
You knew the answer?
Yes, ma'am. My answer matched with Vian.
Good. Next. So you have to fill the blank. First question is for Mihir. I told Dash to always give all my effort. I
Told
told
Dash to always give my efforts. I told. Oh my god. This is little hard.
No, it is really easy.
Huh?
Reflexive noun is for the person itself. He's talking about, but the person is talking about itself. I told, I told.
Myself.
Yeah, I told myself. This is called reflexive noun. That the person is, doing or telling to itself only. So I told
Then
myself.
I'm telling to myself only. I'm thinking to myself.
Yeah, that is called reflexive noun. I told
If
myself to give
for
all the
example,
effort.
if I say like, I should do the homework until Monday.
Yeah, by myself.
I'm thinking about myself only.
I have to do that homework by myself. Okay, that
Yes.
myself is called reflexive pronoun. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Second question is for Vivek.
We gave a dash, a pat on the back for the good work. From him.
We,
Ourselves.
yeah, ourselves. Very good. Ourselves. So we gave ourselves a pat on the back for the good work. There are many people, so that is why they are using we, and all pat on their shoulder for the good work. So used ourselves. Okay. Next question is for Nesha.
Please come dash down. Please come yourself.
Very good. Yourself, spelling self.
SELF.
SELF. Yeah. It's talking about one person. So please calm down yourself. Please calm yourself down. Okay. So he or she is talking to a person and asking for to calm yourself down. Okay. Yes, Vian, you want to ask something? Okay. Vian, tell me the next answer.
Yes, they gave Dash a 20-minute break. They gave us
They.
themselves a 20 minutes break.
Yeah. They gave themselves a 20-minute break. Okay. Next is Mihir.
The dog ran dash into the fence. The dog ran itself into the fence.
Sorry. Ran.
The dog
Ran
The dog ran itself into
Yeah,
the fence.
itself. Yeah. Itself into the fence.
Yeah.
Good. Pronouns. So we have learnt about pronouns, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Personal pronoun we have I, you, we, they, she, he, it. This is the subject one. And object one is her, him, them, are. Okay?
Ma'am, may I ask something?
Yes.
Ma'am, please go to the previous slide.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, why we had written they gave themselves a 20-minute break? That means reflexive pronouns work independently, like whatever I want.
See, maybe suppose they are dancing, okay, and they want a break. So they themselves decided that they will give 20 minutes break to themselves, okay, because they, here I have used they in my sentence, so that is why I have used themselves. Okay, great,
I got it.
great, good. So in pronoun, we have done three kinds of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. In personal pronoun, I, you, we, they, she, he. This is subject pronoun that we use in the starting of the sentence. Next is, sorry, it is also subjective. Next is her, him, them, are. These are object pronoun that mostly come in middle of the sentence or later part of the sentence. Okay. Next is possessive pronoun that owns something. Means ours, mine, theirs, hers, his, its. Next is reflexive pronoun. Myself, herself, itself, themself, yourself, or yourself, yourselves. Any doubt regarding any pronoun? You can ask me immediately. No. Everything is clear. Just give me thumbs up if everything is clear to you.
No doubt, ma'am.
Clear,
Yeah.
Nisha? Okay.
I'm not clear, still clear.
Crystal clear. Okay, great. Okay, Vivek, Krishna, clear?
Yes, ma'am, crystal clear.
Okay.